All right, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today we're going to show you how to make pasta e fagioli, as we say in Brooklyn, pasta Fazool. Anyway, let's get cooking. All right, here's Mama and Dom.
Hello,
Chef
everybody.
Dom.
How you doing?
All right, these are the simple ingredients for the pasta Fazool, how we say it in Brooklyn. We have beans. You can use fresh beans. You can use canned beans. We have celery, garlic, Parmesan cheese. We went ahead and blended up some of these tomatoes, which were whole peel tomatoes, olive oil, and this here we're going to go ahead and use ditalini pasta and spaghetti for this recipe.
Ditalini.
Right.
Ditalini. We're going to fry up a little celery in some olive oil first, and then we're going to add the other ingredients as we go.
All right.
You want to chop. You want to leave the leaves. Cook with the leaves on there because it'll give it a lot of flavor. So chop it up.
This was Grandma's recipe passed along to my mom, which is now directing us on how to make this dish. All right.
We're gonna chop up some garlic here too. I think we need more, man.
Like garlic?
Oh yes, Mom.
More garlic.
Sure, more garlic. Don't let it get through the celery so it won't burn.
Is that enough, Mom?
Yeah, that should do it. Maybe one more
Okay.
head. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just
I think Dom's on top of that.
this last one. All right.
Nice.
Beauty. Nothing like the smell of garlic, man.
All right.
All right, we're gonna add a little olive oil. To our pan. Let that get hot, and then we'll fry up the celery. All right, we're gonna add our celery here. Let that fry up a little bit. Get my trusty spoon.
Slow and slow. All right. How's it looking, Mom?
Smells good.
Not yet, but it smells good.
Yeah. Nice.
And we're gonna add a little fresh basil in here. That probably should do it. Yeah, what the hell?
Mom, you put too much basil in there.
Did not. Look, I can't even see it. That's all the leaves from the celery. Jerk.
Now I can smell that garlic.
Potatoes, you put your salt and pepper.
Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty then.
All right.
Add the tomatoes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're gonna add our tomatoes in here.
Oh, very nice.
Salt.
Salt.
We'll try it as we go.
Yeah, try as you go.
All right, we're gonna add some pepper in here.
Coming out.
And we're gonna put a little oregano in here.
How's
That's
that?
it.
Okay. We're gonna let that cook for a little while, and then we're gonna add our beans in there.
All right.
Wanna
About
put
30
a
minutes, Mom.
pinch of cheese.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to put a pinch of
Just a
Parmesan.
pinch, and then you put more when we shut the gas and the dinner is complete.
Okay.
Okay.
Very nice. All right, we're gonna let this cook for about 30 minutes. We'll be back.
Depends on how it
Let's
is.
get the pasta
Maybe a
ready.
half hour or more.
How's it coming, Ma?
Good.
Yum, yum cookies.
Okay, now you could lower it.
Lower it?
Yeah,
Okay,
because
I'll lower it. All right, I'm getting the water ready to cook the pasta.
For the pasta. That'll boil in no time.
All right, Mama's getting the pasta ready. You're gonna go ahead and pour that in the hot.
water?
Yeah, in the colander there. Ooh, it sounds like a slot machine just paid off.
I think it's in there. I'm going to make it like this.
Okay. She's gonna break up some spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
All right, pasta's ready. Thank you, Mother.
Okay.
All right, you want to check this? Almost. Hey, you gonna try some of this? Okay.
How's it coming along, Mom? Want to stir it around a little bit?
It's a thicken. It's good.
Yeah, it's really good.
First, the garlic's got to cook too right into the sauce.
Yeah.
Once it's soft.
And we're ready to go. Beautiful.
We're gonna add our beans in there, cannelli beans.
Oh, very nice. Look at that. What'd you say, Mom? You use Progresso?
Yes.
They don't have that here. They only have Progresso soup here. They don't have the veggies here in Texas.
It's too bad because it's really good.
These beans are good.
Yeah, these beans are
They
good.
are good?
Yeah.
Yeah. As long as we do.
All right, let's throw the pasta in.
Oh, what do you mean throw the pasta in? Oh, you mean in the water? All right.
Yeah. What'd you think? In here?
Yeah, I'm going to talk to you. We're going to put it in there.
All right. We're gonna put our pasta in there now.
Right. Okay, Mom's putting some butter in there.
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah. That's it?
Yeah.
What was that, about a tablespoon of butter?
Yeah, about.
Okay. Nice. How's it coming along, Mom?
It's coming, Paul. Just watch that part.
About this pot? Doing good.
It doesn't go over.
Very nice.
Okay, we're gonna reserve 2 cups of this pasta water. Okay.
Nice. Yeah.
You got something to say, Mother? All right. All right. We're going to put it back in the pot. I made 2 pounds of pasta. This is going to go fast. And now we're going to add our what? So just put it in here. I have to put it in there. It's boiling already. All right, we put our pasta water in there, starch. No, it is. It's off. I'm just going to put it all in there.
Yeah, that's good. It's easy to turn in the pot.
Watch out, I'm going to splash it.
Watch, Paul. Don't get burned.
He's not going to get burned.
Ow!
Okay, there's your pepper in there.
Some more pep?
Just a little pepper.
Oh, look at that. Pasta Fagioli. Pasta Fazool.
Is that
Pasta
enough of,
Fagioli.
moisture in there? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, put some
beautiful.
pepper.
Some more pepper. Don't get
Okay.
too close. You're gonna get knocked out. Some cheese.
Just a little cheese, so I can turn it around. They could put this on the table.
Okay.
And so,
Beautiful. All right, let's eat.
I'm gonna let that cook in the pot for a little while, Ma.
just a few minutes.
Okay. Is that ready?
All right, it's ready.
Yep.
Wow,
We're
look
gonna
at that.
turn it off.
Yes. We got enough of liquid in here.
Yeah.
Plenty.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Nice pot of pasta fagioli.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Okay, Paul.
Are we ready to eat?
Yes.
All right. Right. Let's check out this pasta Fazool. Oh man, look
Looks
at that. Mom, that looks great. Oh,
A little warmer. Yeah, go ahead. What?
That's it.
Yeah.
oh wow, look at that. Man. Put some cheese on this, Mom.
They don't want to eat now?
Yeah, they're gonna eat after. Need to put more cheese on there. It's about to done.
Yeah. So pepper on.
Beautiful. Man, look at that dish right there.
Looks good.
Smells heaven. All right. Let's test this out. It's hot. Woo.
Very hot.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. Very good, Mama.
Good.
Yes.
Excellent.
Very, very good. Very good. Anyway, hey, thanks for watching. We hope you try this recipe. It's really out of sight. I mean, you're going to love it. It's really
Simple,
good.
easy.
Yeah, it's really one of those simple recipes. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next time.
See you next week. Bye.
Bye-bye.